Hi, this is Dr. Nate Hayes checking in again from Rockford Chiropractic. I wanted to follow up on a previous video that Dr. Holsebus had shared with us about making sure when we're in the grocery stores, we're buying fresh fruits, fresh vegetables especially, because a lot of the prepackaged meals or the frozen pizzas are already out of the shelves. But the best thing we can do to build a strong immune system is to eat healthy and eat natural fruits and vegetables. So what I'm recommending is take some of the time right now, instead of watching YouTube videos about cats or people playing video games or kids playing video games, right? Spend some time researching new recipes, right? Watching videos on how to do those recipes. There's tons and tons of options on healthy new recipes, right? If you've never cooked with asparagus, maybe pick some up and watch 2 or 3 videos and make it for dinner. Have the kids join in and start preparing meals. Make this a family event where you're teaching your kids about what are the essential nutrients that are actually in asparagus, right? So we can use the time that we have with our families to continue to educate ourselves, but to be healthier and have stronger immune systems. So spend a little bit more time on YouTube finding recipes, healthy options or alternatives, right? Go online, check out our Facebook and YouTube page. We're sharing lots of videos and things like that on there. Like and share our videos as much as you can on YouTube or Facebook. So thanks for checking in. We appreciate your time and continue to stay healthy right now.